What are you doing? You're doing 6 miles an hour with no indication and just stopping. Are you quite alright in there, mate? What the actual hairy butthole is going on here? Appears to be cars. Just like stuck, innit? I'm going to go past you as well, because I can. Oh, that's what's going on. The truck had blocked his entrance. I see. Very good, yeah. So I just noticed something, you know. Because I've got, if you have a look closely at my visor, look past my gorgeous face, look closely at my visor, you can see like the fog shield in there. If you look round the sides here, look, it seems to be all steamed up. And yet, I didn't even bloody notice. My vision is so clear. Not trying to plug anything here, it's just an observation. Slippy slidey.